First, let us understand the question with the help of the figure. It says that water is flowing at the rate of 5 kilometers per hour through a pipe of diameter 14 centimeter into a rectangular tank which is 25 meter long and 22 meter wide. We have a cylindrical pipe. The diameter of the cylindrical pipe is 14 centimeter. So if we have the diameter, we can calculate the radius. We can say that radius of the pipe is equal to diameter upon 2, which is equal to 14 upon 2, and it is equal to 7 centimeter. Let us convert centimeter into meters. So it is equal to 7 upon 100 meters. Let's proceed further. It says that water is flowing through the cylindrical pipe into a rectangular tank. And the dimensions of the rectangular tank are also given, wherein the length is given as 25 meter and the breadth is given as 22 meters. Let's proceed further. It says that water is flowing through this pipe into the rectangular tank. So now let us understand how the water flows from the pipe into the tank. So observe, this is the flow of water through the cylindrical pipe into the rectangular tank. It says that the rate at which the water flows through the pipe is 5 kilometers per hour. So my dear students, if the rate is 5 kilometers per hour, what is the speed of the water flowing? Yes, we can say that speed is equal to 5 kilometers per hour. And if the speed is 5 kilometers per hour, what is the length of the water flowing through the pipe in 1 hour? Yes, it is equal to 5 kilometers, which is 5,000 meters. We can write the same in the solution. We can say that length of water flowing through the pipe in 1 hour is equal to 5,000 meters. Let's proceed further. It says that determine the time in which the level of water in the tank will rise by 21 centimeter. They have provided us with the height of the rectangular tank. The height of the rectangular tank is given as 21 centimeter. Let us convert the centimeters into meter. So it is equal to 21 upon 100 meters. My dear students, it says that determine the time in which the level of the water in the tank will rise by this 21 centimeter. It simply means that we have to calculate time taken. Let us understand how can we calculate time taken with the help of a very simple example. Let us assume that the capacity or the volume of this rectangular tank is 5,000 liters. And now let us assume that the volume of the water flowing through the pipe into the tank is 1,000 liters per hour. If this is so, what will be the time taken? Yes, we can say that time taken is equal to 5,000 upon 1,000, which is equal to 5 hours. Now let us generalize this to get the formula for time taken. Now in it, 5,000 is volume of the rectangular tank and 1,000 is volume of water flowing through the pipe in 1 hour. So we can say, therefore, time taken is equal to volume of rectangular tank upon volume of water flowing through the pipe in 1 hour. Let's proceed further and let us use this formula to get time taken. Let us first calculate volume of rectangular tank. Now my dear students, what is the formula to find volume of a cuboid? Yes, it is L into B into H. Let's write the same in the solution. Volume of tank equal to L into B into H. Let us substitute the values. Now we know that the length of the cuboid is 25. The breadth of the cuboid is 22. And the height of the cuboid is 21 upon 100. So we can say that volume of rectangular tank is equal to 25 into 22 into 21 upon 100 meter cube. Let's proceed further and now let us calculate volume of water flowing through the pipe in 1 hour. My dear students, what is the formula to find volume of a cylinder? Yes, it is pi r square h. So we can say therefore volume of water flowing through the pipe in 1 hour is equal to pi r square h. Let's proceed further and now let us substitute the values. We know that the radius of the pipe is 7 upon 100. In place of pi, we can write pi. Radius is 7 upon 100, so we'll write 7 upon 100 into 7 upon 100. Now the height of the water in the pipe is 5,000. So we'll write into 5,000. Let's proceed further and now let us understand the calculations. First we can cancel 2 zeros and again 2 zeros from 100 and 5000. Also we can cancel one more 0. Next we can cancel is 5 and 10. It is 5 ones are 5 twos are. So we are left with pi into 7 upon 2, which is equal to 49 upon 2 pi meter cube. Let's proceed further and now let us calculate time taken. We know that time taken is equal to volume of tank upon volume of water flowing through the pipe in 1 hour. Let us substitute the values. First, volume of rectangular tank is 25 into 22 into 21 upon 100 divided by the volume of the water flowing in 1 hour is 49 upon 2 pi. Now the next step is time taken is equal to 25 into 22 into 21 upon 100 into, rather we say divided by 49 upon 2, the value of pi. Now we can substitute and it is equal to 22 upon 7. Then the next step is time taken is equal to 25 into 22 into 21 upon 100 into, we have 2 upon 49 into 7 upon 22. Since we have converted division into multiplication, so the terms will get reciprocal. Now my dear students, let us understand the calculations. First we can cancel 7 and 49. It is 7 ones are 7 sevens are. Second we can cancel is 7 and 21. 7 ones are 7 threes are. Next we can cancel is, yes, 22 and 22. Also we can cancel 25 and 100. It is 25 ones are 25 fours are. Next we can cancel is 2 and 4. It is 2 ones are 2 twos are. So we are left with 3 upon 2, which is equal to 1.5. So we can say therefore the time in which the level of the water in the tank will rise by 21 centimeter is 1.5 hours. Very, very simple sum. Thank you.